Are you ready, kids?
Leafs gonna have HR pistons and a rev up, man. You right?
Fucking cross hatches are still there.
Holy smokes! Those do not look that worn down. They look mint. How's it look like, Eddie?
That's a pattern, my friend.
There's the other side here.
Cross hatches are mint, bud. That looks good.
Mint. What's going on, man?
It's gonna burn a rag, man.
What's up, guys? We're just here at the shop. We're just suffering with part of the lower oil pan spot. I'll show you what I'm talking about. The bolts are kind of messed up, so we're gonna try to cut these ones off. They keep stripping, so. The bearing sitting inside of it?
Holy shit.
Let me see this.
Feel it with your nail.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Wow. Dude, look at all the heat scoring on this one. On this side.
Yeah.
Let me see. Damn.
Yeah, you need to polish this crank.
Wow.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah.
Could you imagine?
Oh, God. Okay, I guess I'll grab the piston. Someone grab Dan.
Almost up.
That's that fiber here.
This one here?
Yeah, and a hammer.
Sure.
All right, sweetie. One more push, okay?
Yeah.
You can see the head.
Yeah. Push.
Almost.
This is why DE suck, huh? Look at that. It's the size of my finger. That's fucked.
Dude, these oil rings are like cloth.
Yeah, the ridges point out.
You can tell where the piston stops, eh?
Yeah.
See? Where it's dark?
Wow,
that's where
yeah.
That's where it doesn't contact. That's where it stops.
Before. After. Lots of white shit, huh? It's a scary movie all over again, my friend. Come on, nut man. Fire in the hole! Probably advisory by Mr. Canadian Fowler, my friend.
That's not my name anymore.
Okay, Eddie Fields.
Franco.
Wait, let me guess. Is your name Jake? Hold on. Brian? Brandon. No, you look like a Paul.
Russell?
I don't know.
No one else seems to know.
I don't know. looks like
That
way
one
better.
is 100% better.
You have a wire brush?
Oh. Seems like things are moving fairly well. We've gotten most of the engine torn apart. We've gotten everything labeled in bags. The whole fire situation with the G35 was a blessing in disguise. If we had been driving that car any further and longer in the season, we probably could have blown up the motor. So that pretty much starts it off for us. We're ready to start the build and process of putting together our VQ35DE rev up with beefier components, essentially.
What else I got? Oh, 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 oh. Do you have knife?
And instructions. That is, wow, these are light. Look at these things. Wow, these look impressive. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. All right, well, something came in, and it's heavy as fuck. Oh, freaking God, this thing's heavy. Ugh. Holy smokes, you guys won't believe it. I'm actually breaking a sweat bringing this thing to my room. Doesn't look so bad. Oh my God, 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 oh my God. The final puzzle piece, and it just kept driving. Fuck. More car parts, hell yeah. Oh my God. We back in action. Awesome, look at that. Oh. Oh, dude. That is badass. Stickers and everything. Damn, that's cool. Specifications. Ew. So much crap. We make it clean of the engine bay, my friend. Before, after, my friend.